a new code, and we will see how to debug. In Playwright. Okay. Test to come expected in Playwright, and test debug Playwright test. So we are going with the page object. Okay, this is the test case. So I have integrated with the GitHub Copilot. So it is almost giving the code, so the prototype of the code. So we will do whatever the changes we require. Okay. Now, first thing is right. So test debug Playwright test, right? Await at page.go to. So go and check the URL is correct or not. So till auth login, right? We just replace this. Okay, it is correct. And what we'll do, right? So here, to have title, right? Expect page to have title. Okay, so this is the one. Instead of pause, right? What I will do? Await page dot locator. Okay, page dot locator. I'm clicking on first time the button, right? So it is giving required. Instead of that, go here. I'm creating one test case. Okay. See, I will go with the class here. Okay. Control class, right? See, here two elements are defined, right? So purposefully, I'm picking this element input dot. Okay. So to see how debug works, no, I'm picking this element. Okay, fill admin. Okay. Now same thing. Admin dot. What is the password? Admin 123. Type submit. Okay. After submit, no, wait for timeout. All comments. Okay, this is our code. So admin 123. Okay. So I'm verifying the dashboard. Okay. Whether the dashboard is appears or not. Okay. Dashboard, right? HSX not. So one of one element is matching, right? So go here, add this element. Now wait, page dot locator, this element, get this element, dot, just get text content. Okay. Constant, get text. All right. Expect the test dashboard. Okay. So this is our test case now. So guys, so while developing this test case, I have integrated with the GitHub Copilot. So here you can see all the options, right? So that is why you can see the code is populating here. Now I will try to run this ticket, Copilot report. This test I am right and we explain right. Test, test. Hyphen header. Project to Chromium. So it should launch in the Chromium browser. Okay. So running 3 of 3 tests, right? Okay. Parallel it is executing. So the test case will fail, but WebKit also it is running. So what we'll write? We'll go with the Chromium for now. Go to layered configuration.js. Here, so we will go with only Chromium. Just comment it. Okay. Okay. Control C. Now try to run it. So invalid credentials. Okay. So what is the error we see? It clicked here. So error is, can you see here? Okay, it is not able to get that. Okay. Okay, why it is failing? We will debug it first. Okay. So the first thing is it is not able to return the text, right? So after executing 30 seconds, await page dot locator. So this element is correct, right? Whatever we pick the element is correct. See, element is correct. So what we'll do, right? We will do the debug first. So for that, now what I'll do, here put the breakpoint from here, right click, Okay. From here it is not coming. Go to here. Just JavaScript debug terminal. Is it? Okay. Just try to run it. Okay. See here. It is telling invalid credentials and it is trying to execute this page. So first of all, it is not able to pass the valid credentials, admin password. It is clicking on login. It is giving invalid credentials. But what is happening here? It is navigating to the next page. Out of the next page means dashboard page. It is waiting for this text. That's why text is wrong. Okay. So it is not properly inputting. So this is how you can debug. See, I put the breakpoint. Now I can see, right, what is the issue. It entered admin and password, but wrong, invalid credentials. Okay. That is how it happened. Okay, this is how we can debug. So in that means, so it is not at all, it clicked on login button, but with invalid credentials, it clicked on login button. We got the invalid credentials message. And it is trying to search the element in the dashboard page, dashboard element text. So what it will do? It will return false, right? Because it didn't go to the dashboard page. That's why it is returning. So it is waiting for this element. But so before that only, we will do one more breakpoint. Go here. So before clicking, whether it is passing the text correctly or not, can we check? Okay. Just we will check. So after launching the browser, launch the browser. So it came. So before clicking on the button, whether it fill in username field, admin has to be entered. In password field, admin123 has to be entered. Okay, see, in username field it entered. Here it entered. Why? What is the reason? Because I purposefully give incorrect locators. That is the reason. So for showing for you, so I purposefully created a wrong locators. See, so username is admin123, but we are passing username field no. First admin123, admin only, admin. Password is admin123. What happened here? Here in username field oppositely. So in reversive way, first it typed admin123 admin here. So here the thing is get these locators and search for it. Search. So go to logout. Can you see? Two elements are identifying. That is the reason. So it don't know. So the browser no elements no whenever you are passing admin as the username. So two elements are identifying, right? The browser is so whatever the script is passing, the browser is confusing. So I identified with two elements. So where I need to pass. So that's why. So it is printed password in username and in password username is printed in username field password is printed. So for that one, you need to identify the unique elements, then only it will work. Okay. For that, go with any of the element. Type password, name password. Okay. Like this. Name, change with input, name equal to password. Okay. Now, can you see it is identifying unique element? Copy this element. Copy this element. So this is password element. For username, it will be username. Okay. For username, go here, search for username. So name is username, right? Copy this username. Attribute value. I copied the attribute value. Okay. Now try to execute same. Okay. This is the browser it launched now. Can you see? Admin has passed correctly. Password has passed correctly. Now, what I'll do, right? I will debug it. Now, after clicking on the login button, just enter it. Okay. Again, it failed. Button click. Okay, button. We'll check this one. This button locator. Type submit, right? Type submit. Type. It is button. Can you see? It is identified correctly. Same, right? Same. It is same. Button type submit. Okay. After typing admin 123, just take out this debug. Okay. The browser. Username password. Now click on login button. Yeah. Now dashboard page. It is verifying dashboard page. Just so our test case got passed. Okay. Suppose now I have one more thing. Dashboard. This text, right? While you are copying this text, admin 123. So while you are copying, right? So while copying this text, what will happen? Suppose you are copying and pasting. Sometimes there will be spaces. Suppose you have given here the space here, something. So there is no debug here. And can you run it? So how to do text, whether verifying the text by using debugging. Suppose sometimes no spaces or sometimes spelling checks, or sometimes we will miss it. Or so now can you see here? It is expected. However, it is giving directly. So however the report is giving directly, received is this one, expected you give the space. Suppose in case if you want to debug what is there, what is expected, what is coming from the application. So put here debug, type here. So everything we are running from the JavaScript terminal. Okay. So it waited here, right? See JavaScript debug terminal. Okay. This is from here I have picked JavaScript debug terminal. Okay. And debug terminal. Now can you see get text? What it printed here? Suppose if you are not able to see, right, what is the text it is reading? Go here, right click on this, add to watch. Now you can watch. Suppose it is nothing is there here. So watch is there, right? Just to remove it. Nothing is there. Go here, get text, right click on this, just add to watch. You can see what is get text retrieving dashboard. Okay. Now you can go to get expect dashboard to be here's the space is there. Remove that space. So if you want to see what is getting from the application, no? So right click and add to watch. So this is how you will debug from the JavaScript terminal. So I hope this session is very helpful, guys. If you find this session is helpful, please subscribe my channel.